Welcome to the AI Chronicle. Here are today's top 10 AI stories. AI companies are moving fast, and RoshAi Raises just made a big move. Deeptech startup RoshAi has raised 22 crore Indian rupees, about $2.40 MN, in a funding round led by IAN Group. The Kochi-based. The new capital will accelerate hiring, infrastructure build-out, and product development. Expect new product announcements and potential follow-on deals within the quarter. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. Zhipu just launched something new, and the AI world is watching. Zhipu's GLM 5.1 sets a new benchmark for open-source AI with 8-hour autonomous task execution and top-tier coding performance. The open-source community will rapidly build integrations, fine-tuned variants, and tooling on top. Expect benchmarks and third-party comparisons to emerge within weeks of release. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. Not many people notice this AI story, but it is worth knowing. Anthropic released Cowork on Monday, a new AI agent capability that extends the power of its wildly successful Claude Code tool to non-technical users, and according to company insiders, the team built the entire feature in approximately a week and a half, largely using Claude Code itself. The launch marks a major inflection point in the race to deliver practical AI agents to mainstream users, positioning Anthropic to compete not just with OpenAI and Google in conversational AI, but with Microsoft's Copilot in the burgeoning market for AI-powered productivity tools. Cowork lets you complete non-technical tasks much like how developers use Claude Code, the company announced via its official Claude account on X. The feature arrives as a research preview available exclusively to Claude Max subscribers, Anthropic's power user tier priced between $100 and $200 per month through the macOS desktop application. For the past year, the industry narrative has focused on large language models that can write poetry or debug code. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. This AI release from Meta caught the industry off guard. Nous Spark succeeds Llama 4, released by the Silicon Valley-based firm a year ago. Early adopters will test the new capabilities in production over the coming weeks. Developer feedback will shape the roadmap and next iteration of the product. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. This decision will shape how AI develops from here on. Elon Musk says he doesn't want a penny for himself. He's amended his lawsuit against OpenAI so that potential billions in damages would go to the charitable foundation instead. OpenAI calls it a harassment campaign. The article Musk updates OpenAI lawsuit to redirect potential $150 billion in damages to the nonprofit foundation appeared first on the Decoder. Industry groups are expected to respond with lobbying efforts and proposed amendments. Companies have a narrow window to adjust their products before any rules take effect. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. This just happened in AI, and it changes things. Transformers revolutionized AI but struggle with long sequences due to quadratic complexity, leading to high computational and memory costs that limit scalability and real-time use. This creates a need for faster, more efficient alternatives. Mamba 4 addresses this using state-space models with selective mechanisms, enabling linear time processing while maintaining strong performance. It suits tasks like, the post Mamba 4 explained, a faster alternative to transformers for sequential modeling appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Researchers at competing labs will reproduce and challenge these results in the coming weeks. If findings hold up, they are likely to influence the next generation of model training. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. The limits of AI just shifted, and this is the proof. According to Volcano Engine, the Seedance 2.0 API has entered public beta for enterprise users. As of March this year, Doubao, an AI large model developed by ByteDance, has seen its daily token usage exceed 120 trillion, doubling over the past 3 months and increasing 1,000-fold compared to its launch in May 2024. Currently, the number of early adopters will test the new capabilities in production over the coming weeks. Developer feedback will shape the roadmap and next iteration of the product. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. The way we work is changing, and AI is leading the shift. Nous Research, the open-source artificial intelligence startup backed by crypto venture firm Paradigm, released a new competitive programming model on Monday that it says matches or exceeds several larger proprietary systems trained in just 4 days using 48 of NVIDIA's latest B200 graphics processors. The model, called NouScoder 14B, is another entry in a crowded field of AI coding assistants, but arrives at a particularly charged moment. Claude Code, the agentic programming tool from rival Anthropic, has dominated social media discussion since New Year's Day, with developers posting breathless testimonials about its capabilities. The simultaneous developments underscore how quickly AI-assisted software development is evolving and how fiercely companies large and small are competing to capture what many believe will become a foundational technology for how software gets written. Type, embedded entry inline ID, 74CSYRQ60ORP9CQ50USL NouScoder 14B achieves a 67.87% accuracy rate on LiveCodeBench v6, a standardized evaluation that tests models on competitive programming problems published between August 2024 and May 2025. That figure represents a 7. Workforce changes are accelerating, and AI is the driver. The artificial intelligence coding revolution comes with a catch: it's expensive. Claude Code, Anthropic's terminal-based AI agent that can write, debug, and deploy code autonomously, has captured the imagination of software developers worldwide. But its pricing, ranging from $20 to $200 per month depending on usage, has sparked a growing rebellion among the very programmers it aims to serve. Now, a free alternative is gaining traction. Goose, an open-source AI agent developed by Block, the financial technology company formerly known as Square, offers nearly identical functionality to Claude Code but runs entirely on a user's local machine. The free plan provides no access whatsoever. The Pro plan, at $17 per month with annual billing, or $20 monthly, limits users to just 10 to 40 prompts every 5 hours, a constraint that serious developers exhaust within minutes of intensive work. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. The AI space just made headlines again, and here is why. A loss function is what guides a model during training, translating predictions into a signal it can improve on. But not all losses behave the same. Some amplify large errors, others stay stable in noisy settings, and each choice subtly shapes how learning unfolds. Modern libraries add another layer with reduction modes and scaling effects that, the post 20+ types of loss functions in machine learning appeared first on Analytics Vidya. Researchers at competing labs will reproduce and challenge these results in the coming weeks. If findings hold up, they are likely to influence the next generation of model training. Your next story in the AI Chronicle. Enjoying the AI Chronicle? Your support means the world to us. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Every like helps us reach more people with daily AI news. Thank you for watching. And that is your AI Chronicle for today. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell so you never miss a story. See you tomorrow with more AI news.